Water moves the world, it moves life, it moves the future. But transforming water means transforming realities. There is a purpose behind every drop treated, a commitment to our planet and above all to people. With that purpose in mind, Ecosan was born, a Brazilian water engineering company founded in 1983. From the very beginning, it was never just about technology, it was about a clear vision, using engineering to protect life. Over more than 4 decades, we have built a journey grounded in knowledge, innovation, and trust. Today, Ecosan is a benchmark in comprehensive solution for water and wastewater treatment. We operate from design through to full operation, delivering EPC, turnkey, and on-demand models across both industrial and sanitation sectors. We develop technologies that turn challenges into solutions. Treatment plants, water reuse systems, desalination, ultrafiltration, reverse osmosis, and modular units. More than treating water, we deliver efficiency, performance, and sustainability. We are present at the Sorocaba Technology Park, an environment that fosters connection with universities and research centers. To ensure quality in every delivery, we operate a manufacturing facility with over 4,000 square meters, equipped with CNC technologies including laser cutting, forming and bending, plate rolling, and machining centers. This is where engineering takes shape, with precision, agility, and excellence in every detail. Every project is unique, every solution is designed to generate value, environmental, economic, and social. Because sanitation means health, it means quality of life, it means development. At Ecosan, sustainability is not just a message, it's practice. We operate with a focus on the circular economy, reusing resources, cutting waste, and extending the water life cycle. With a presence across Brazil and around the world, we take water engineering beyond borders. Thousands of solutions delivered, making a difference for companies, cities, and a million of people. We keep evolving with innovation, technology, and people at the center of everything. The future demands more than solutions, it demands awareness. That's why we remain guided by ESG principles, integrating Industry 4.0 advances with artificial intelligence and smart management to create a positive impact. Our commitment is clear: to keep transforming water to transforming tomorrow. Ecosan, water engineering with purpose. Transforming water, transforming the future.